back to my channel. So today I'm making pasta. So for this my water has already started boiling. Make sure that you do not add the pasta until it starts boiling. So yes, before I forget, let me just put a little bit of salt in there, because then we're not gonna add the salt later on. And yes, just very little. Okay, we're putting this. These are elbow shapes. You can take whatever else you want, I mean depending on the kids and what all shapes you like it. So yes, I'll leave it for a couple of minutes, and yes, leave it when it will start boiling. I'll just come back and I'll show you how it looks. So guys, this is done, and if you want you can also check it with the help of a fork. You can feel it, and if you want to know better, you can just taste it one and see it gets soft. So yes, and it's done, and I'm going to drain it. Okay, so I drained it here, and when you drain, just add a little bit of olive oil or any oil so that they don't stick together, and just mix it. Okay, let me just show it maybe if yeah. So let the water come out, and then I'm actually using the same pan and adding a little bit of olive oil. You can always use any other oil if you want, a cooking oil or something, I mean the vegetable oil, whatever you are using. And then I'm adding a little bit of garlic, one small. I'm not adding too much of garlic because I don't want to overpower the pasta with only garlic. But yes, the garlic flavor is a must when you make pasta. I mean, this is how we like it, and everybody have their different style, but this is my style, so I'm sharing this. So yeah, let it just get not brown actually. You will know when the flavors will come. So now I'm adding oregano, very little. Again, it depends on the taste. You can add more if you want. And I've taken garden salad, catelli. You can also use ragu. That's also very famous. The pasta sauce, the one I'm using. And now I'm adding Normally for the pasta we take a pot. There's a pot. I do have a pot, but it has a really very hard base, and I was not really in a mood to make my cooking really long and like lengthy procedure. So I just took a container like this which has a very thin base, so that it can be boiled quickly, and then this can be cooked very nicely. So yes, so it started to boil now, I mean to cook, sorry. So guys, this started cooking, and I'm also adding pepper. This is freshly. I mean I prefer to take fresh pepper. I mean pepper should taste like pepper. It should be peppery. So what I feel is that it's just a matter of 2 minutes. Like you just make fresh pepper. I mean you just grind fresh pepper, and now I'll add the pasta. Okay guys, one more thing. You can also add sausages if you like it. So because I don't eat, I'm a vegetarian, and I mean my daughter is like, depends, sometimes she likes it, sometimes she doesn't like it. So yeah, sometimes I add sausages also, cut into very small pieces. If if you think that you need to add more, you want to make it more saucy, you can always do it. And yes. Okay, while this is I was starting this, you know, boiling and cooking procedure, I turned on my oven, because I'll just bake it for like maybe 1 or 2 minutes. I'll just put cheese and I'll bake it, because we don't have to cook the pasta, but we just have to put the cheese and melt the cheese so that it looks really nice, yummy and delicious. And yes, again, I'm just sharing my recipe. I'm sharing the way we like it, and I think you might also like it, but everybody has their own ways of making. So yes guys, I'll just let you know in a minute how it looks when it comes out of the oven. So I have this shredded mozzarella cheese. I'm just putting on that. You can also use cheddar cheese. I keep changing. I mean, I just keep playing with the food, and I like, you know, I just keep trying stuff, because when I have mozzarella cheese, I put mozzarella. If I have cheddar cheese, I put cheddar, and if I have the marble, I put the marble. You know, it's like you just have to make it cheesy. I mean, you can do the way you want. I mean, it's all about cheese. It should be cheesy when it comes out of the oven, and that's most important. So yes. Guys, please don't forget to use your gloves. I was in a rush because, you know, after doing this, I have to go quickly. I have an appointment. So please guys, please don't forget to use the gloves. I haven't used the gloves. It's my fault. But please use the gloves. It was very small, quick thing to do. That's why. So guys, this is done, and look at how nice it is. And as I told you, pasta is already done. We just don't have to cook the pasta in the oven. It's all about the cheese. Cheese should be like, you know, melted properly. And see, look at the strings on my. You can add more cheese, but I'm just not being really generous. But yes, you can always add more cheese depending on like how the taste you like it. See.